This is the White Sulphur Springs Forest Service cabin, and just met the group that is going to be spending the night here. They're from Juneau, and they've invited me to come inside and hang out. It's a really nice cabin that sleeps 8. It's got a little barbecue grill out here, and inside it's got a big table. Looks like it could seat 8, and 2, 4, 6 beds, bunks. Oh wait, actually those are full, so it could sleep 8. Because there's mattresses underneath. There's a stove, nice little kitchen, and the girl said that the bears don't bother any of the food that's left in here, which I'm surprised because there's peaches, there's sugared oatmeal, rice, all kinds of seasonings, and they fired a flashbang when they first arrived because there was a brown bear on shore, and they said it didn't scare away very easily. It just moved off to the side, so it's still hanging around, but it hasn't broken in to the cabin here. The library up here. The outhouse is back behind us. There's a trail in the direction the bear went. So yeah, very nice cabin here. There's a little pond out behind us. I passed 2 bogs and a marshy lake on my way here. I hiked over from West Arm. There's a ramp for loading carts. I don't think it's ADA accessible because there's a big rocky beach to navigate up. But there's a rope swing. There's a big wood shed. Oh yeah, West Chichagof with Kobe Wilderness, Tongass National Forest, White Sulphur Springs. Yeah, the wood shed, and then the spring bathhouse is right here. There's a sign with fresh water. The toilet here's off to the right. But this bathhouse is really nice. Looks like it's either been newly constructed or fresh cedar, but yeah, it's got glass pane windows above and here in the door. Wow, very nice. This looks like a spa in here compared to the other bathhouses. There's a big whalebone up in the eaves here. Oh, but check this out. How nice. The little rope ball or buoy swing in the middle. There's a rinsing pool here before you jump in the tub, and it's all natural rock in the bottom with a little concrete in the very bottom. Very nice. And a changing room with a curtain. There's that whalebone. Wow. This is very nice. I'm going to have to try out that ball in a little waterfall. The sliding doors that you can close for the wind. I think you can close. You've got handles so you can block any wind out if it gets too cold. Otherwise, you can just enjoy the views out into Bertha Bay, which is very foul with rock. So only smaller boats can come in here. Oh, but man, what a nice springs and bathhouse. Stepping out of the bathhouse, looking up towards the cabin and the woodshed. Don't want something this civilized. You can come down and have the outdoor pool here, a la natural. open views out to Bertha Bay. And a fire pit. Oh, what a sweet spot here. This is Bertha Bay. These are the natural pools over here. Just saw all the signs on this tree with the Fork, Juno, Douglas, Little Belgium. Here's just one of the two different bogs close by. Heading out. Great time here at the White Sulphur Hot Springs. So the boardwalk trail is a mix of planks, a few boardwalk sections, and dirt and mud trail. It's a 1 mile from the White Sulphur Hot Springs to Mirror Cove, and I believe about half a mile to where I'm going, which is the west arm. But this is what most of the trail looks like. And there is bear sign, scat, and dug up skunk cabbage. A lot of work went into these trails the first time, and then when they wear out, they have to come back again and rebuild them. So thank you to the Forest Service personnel for doing this and keeping these trails open for people like us who just come once in a great while or one time only. Sections of the trail are pretty muddy, thus the recommendation to wear boots, as well as continually calling out for bear. There's just a brown bear close by on the shore. Let them know you're here. I carry an air horn plus bear spray, one in both hands usually, with a spare backup in case I need to deploy one. I can quickly grab the other. But just let them know you're here so they can get out of your way, which they usually do. So coming back to the West Arm trailhead, there's this big trail marker in the trees. This is what it looks like from out on the water. Lots of slick rock. Very slick rock. You can see what it looks like from the water. And there's a metal stake over here. Nice easy haul out spot. And then nice little kayak back to West Arm. Ray came and picked me up in the dinghy. So I didn't have to kayak back. Such a sweet guy. This is leaving the dinghy landing zone behind that rock in the center. You can see the trailhead marker way over there. This water's so talon.